guys, welcome to this very special edition of Pulse Campus Cooking. So today we're here in the amazing facilities at Colombo House and I'm going to show you how to make some student budget friendly awesome meals. All you need is 1 hash brown, 1 pack of Easy Mac, as much bacon as you like, and 2 slices of bread. So step 1 after you've put the oil in the pan is to just chuck in the bacon and the hash browns. While you leave that in the pan to cook, just grab a bowl and we're going to put our Easy Mac in with about 170 mils of water. Pop it in the microwave. While that's all happening, we're just going to lightly toast our bread. Finally, just plate it all up. Yum! It's so good. So all you need is 1 packet of mee goreng, 1 packet of frozen vegetables, and a handful of your favourite flavour of Doritos. Put your mee goreng into a bowl and then add 400 mils of water. And then we're just going to pop it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Start cooking your vegetables in the pan. Can you help? When the mee goreng has finished cooking, we're just going to drain it and then add it in to the pan with all the vegetables. And lastly, you just want to add this special touch, so it is a few crushed up Doritos. There it is, mee goreng with a makeover. That crunch. So the ingredients are 3 strawberries, 3 choc chip cookies, 3 Kinder chocolates, and a tub of vanilla ice cream. So with the strawberry crisis at the moment, people are saying cut them up, don't cut them out, but we're taking it another step further and we're gonna mash them. Grab a few cookies and Kinder chocolates and you're gonna beat them up with a mallet or your least favorite textbook. A couple of scoops of ice cream and add them to the bowl. And mix it all together. I have really sensitive teeth. Okay, so hopefully these recipes have shown you how to eat like a king on the budget of a peasant. Better still, all these products were purchased on campus at our IGA and cooked in student accommodation. See you next time, bye!